Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. And how are you doing? Yes, we have a session right now with co-founder Bassam Tariq, and yes, he's here with us in this stream. And let me first confirm that we are live right now. So, anyone here, please comment so I can know that everything okay. I am live, and my voice and everything is clear. Sure. So now we are live. Yes, I just confirmed in Facebook group. So we have Bassam Tariq with us from Stacks, and let me first welcome Bassam.
Hello.
Hi Bassam, how are you? I can see
Great.
you.
Thank you. Nice. Yeah. Um, okay, let me try. I'm trying to open my camera again, see if it will work. It should
Sure.
work now, actually. Uh, I'm not sure
So guys,
why.
meanwhile, Bassam is ready with his cam. I would like to sum up that what we are going to do today. So we will see how we can create mobile apps without any coding, right? Without code. And for this, we will be using Stacks. Uh, and Bassam is here from Stacks team with us to show us that how Stacks works. So first of all, Bassam, welcome to the stream. Assalamu
Yeah.
alaikum.
Alaikum salam. How are you? Nice. I hope you are well.
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And yes, so first of all, guys, everyone who is watching stream right now, please comment. And if you have any questions during the session, you can drop inside the comment box. And everyone must already be aware of that. What is importance of mobile apps in these days, right?
Yes.
So most of the internet browsers and users are from mobile, and we have many type of data supporting this, and yeah, mobile plays a very important role. So if you have such website or such business which can be launched as a mobile app, you definitely need to do this. And to do this, if you go for a custom development, especially when you are let's say a small agency, or let's say you are a small e-com startup, or any of the startup, any business, anything you are doing at the beginner level, and if you are starting, the custom development can you cost hefty amount of money. And at the same time, when you are spending so much, you don't have that much grip on backend as you can be as a developer, right? So the here stacks come in game. So first of all, Bassam, uh, when you created this stacks and how this idea came to you that you should build such an app builder with which people can build mobile apps without coding.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, let's talk about the importance of the mobile application. Why do we need the mobile application? As you mentioned, it's very important in the latest time, especially after the coronavirus, that happened that everyone needs to find alternatives to their physical stores. So we have two types of customers actually. The business owners himself, which is the owner, let's say, of a restaurant, of a retail shop, of whatever, or even a drop shipping website. He would like to retain his already customers. So let's say he has 1,000 customers and he would like to generate more revenues from them. So the mobile application is very critical in this stage. Why? Because he will use points and rewards system in order to increase the mobile application, the usage of the mobile application. He will need to use as well the push notifications in order to send coupons, unlimited coupons, in order to attract the same audience that he has attracted before. Actually, studies states that on Forbes magazine and others that you can generate about 90% more of revenue, more than the revenue that you already have from just the new customers or the customers that you already have. If you will make the retention, the use of the retention of your current customers, you can generate up to 90% more of revenue, and it costs less than 5 times the cost of the acquisition of a new customer in order to make a current customer make an acquisition. So whether he will use your website in order to make the first order, or he will use your physical store in order to make his first order, the mobile application is critical in this stage, okay, in order to generate more revenues from the current customers that you have. If you are an agency developing themes, mobile applications for your customers, then you will find unlimited design possibilities for your customers, and you can reduce the cost a lot by using the mobile application builder, where you will be able to generate many applications in just a single day and connect it with his website, with his store, with his products and categories, and create orders in a fast manner and customize the look and feel of the mobile application the way he wants. So that's why we believe that it's critical to have the mobile application and to have a subscription through Stacks. That's why we built Stacks at the first stage, in order to make it easier for the business owners and for the developers and designers to have the mobile application in just a few steps. And with a click of a button, the application will be uploaded to Google Play and App Store without a need to any intermediate developer or agency in order to build with you for you the mobile application. Hi everyone. I see people are saying hello in the chat.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
So, Assam, we will proceed towards talking about stacks. And
yeah.
before that, I would like to know about you. That what is your background? Is this your first product as
Uh,
a SaaS, or have you ever built before this also any product? Right?
okay, I'm from an engineering background. I graduated from the Faculty of Engineering here in Egypt, and I have an MBA degree in marketing. I built my first company in 2011. It was for it's called the Croydon. Actually, Croydon is specifically for high ticket mobile applications for large enterprises like Oppo, like Warner Bros, and many others. And uh, after that, we found the gap that most of the applications have many things in common, like the sign up process, the login process, the add to cart process, and so on. So we thought of building, but you always rebuild the applications again, and every time your customers pay thousands of dollars in order to have their mobile application. So nobody is serving the uh, small and medium enterprises where they need to pay just a few dollars in order to have the mobile application ready. So that's why we built Stacks. We started building Stacks into 2020 and the MVP, and now we are launching it as an LTD. And this is not the first time to launch the LTD. Actually, this is the second time after a successful run in the previous sessions and previous LTD. Now it's another offer.
Yeah, sure. My first question would be what kind of websites, or let's say what kind of blogs can be converted to app? Is there any limitations, or any kind of websites can be converted to app
Okay,
using
so
Stack?
the most of the integrations that we have currently, and the most powerful integration is that we have currently is the WooCommerce. So it's basically you can build. It's a WordPress. If it is a blog, normal blog on the WordPress, if it's built on WooCommerce, e-commerce platform, selling anything on WooCommerce, subscription, variable product, simple product, whatever, it will work perfectly. And also, if it is not a WordPress website, it's custom built website, you can make it as just a web view for your website. So if it's normal custom made website, you can just generate an application with the same look and feel of your desktop application and upload it to Google Play. So this is the most fields, and also learning. We have integrated with a membership plugin where you can add your courses and courses for subscriptions and so on through the mobile application. Where some courses will be locked for free, and some others will be locked for premium members only after they purchase.
Okay, so what you said is that if your website is on WordPress, either it's a WooCommerce product selling website or a normal WordPress blog, that can be completely integrated inside mobile app with the help of Stacks Builder. And if someone
Exactly.
has a custom built website, you can provide an app with a web view of that particular platform or website, and it will show as a browser, right? It will open as a
Yeah.
browser in the mobile view,
Yeah.
right? Now, my question
Exactly.
about this custom build website is, when we create a web view app, can we access other features and functionality of mobile apps like push notifications and all that?
Actually, we have a feature. If integrated, then you will be able to use the push notifications. It can be partially web view, so it's not a must to be totally web view. You can make the sign up through the application normally, and after you make the sign up through the application, you can just add a button. Let's say check our website or go to our products and so on. This button will redirect you to the shop of your mobile, your website, in a
Okay.
web view. It will not open a browser, but it will be inside the same frame of the mobile application. Once opened inside the same frame, you will be able to send. You have the users actually in the mobile application, so you'll be able to send the push notifications and use any other features that you would like in the app itself.
Okay, so we can use so it's not a complete browser type thing, but it partially web
It
mobile
can
web
be,
view, right?
yeah, both are possible. Yes.
Okay, so now I would like that you should dive inside the tool and show us
Yeah.
practically that how works and how easy to build an app is. So kindly share
Yes.
your screen and start with the presentation.
Okay. Let me know once you
Yeah, your
see.
screen is here. Once you move to that website, and I will push it in the stream, right? Okay, so your
Okay,
screen
let me
is
log out in order to start. Okay, here we go. So once you open the builder here from app.stacksmarket.co, you will find an area like this. Okay, this area will be able to make a sign up, just a normal sign up with your email and passwords. After you make the sign up or make the login, you will be redirected and asked about the project. In order to make it faster, now for the sake of this presentation, I paused this area of the subscription area and have a built-in application for you. So let's see how it works. First of all, you can choose from about 50 different templates, and I will shortly I'll describe to you what's the meaning of a template here. So here, as you see, there is toy shop template, there is a cars template, shoes template, any retail bookstore template, market template, pharmacy template, and many other mobile shop, computer, many other templates, restaurant stores, and we have actually many restaurant stores templates here, so that news templates, clinic template, fashion, actually travel and courses, and many others. Okay, so after you choose a template from this, I will just skip this part of choosing as if I have chosen a template. You will just not assign like other systems that's available in the market. You are choosing just a single page from the template. But here you are choosing a complete set of views that are connected together in that template. So, for example, here in this fashion template that I've chosen, you will see that you have all this set of views. Home category, the single view of the fashion, the login, the sign up, forgot password, and the single, even the blog post for the fashion if you have a blog post, the cards, about, and home one, new home, single page, and many others. Also, the good thing about this is that you can link all those views together, and I'll show you how right now. So let's say I'll just jump and click on home one that we have rebuilt. So now it's just loading the home. As you see now, there are blocks. Everything in a template or any page inside the template can be edited. Not just in the matter of changing the section or customize the section on and off, or turn on and off the section itself or the block itself, but you can reorder the elements. Like, let's say the categories, I would like to make these categories at the top, like a drag and drop builder. So let's see. Okay, can you see that the categories is now, the layout is completely, can be completely changed. If I would like to make this at the top, the categories section, it can be easily dragged. So can you see that by this you don't need to be a developer in order to change the layout of the elements. Let's say this is a carousel top products, and I'd like to make it 3 columns. Oh, it's 3 columns now, and or a grid. It's like this, 2 columns. Okay, I'd like to change the amount of elements in this section. So I'm just going to choose the categories of the product, the women's shoes, and going to change the limit here. and it will load the more templates. Okay, so this product has just, this category has just 4 products. That's why it's loaded 4 of the products. If I'm going to say, okay, show me the latest products here. So this is the list of the latest products, and you will find 7 products as I mentioned. And you can change the ordering of the products block as well. And also you can add images. And the image block itself, let's say I'm going to add an image block here. So the image block, what's special about the image? It's not just viewing an image for whatever product. You can add, choose the image, and after that you can link that image to whatever page that you would like. So let's say I need this image to be okay. Let's go to the top and choose image like this, and choose. Let's make it connected to a product, specific product. After I select this product, I check here. Okay, so this image will redirect to red t-shirt, or it can redirect as well to a category, or the products categories, or a specific post, or even if you would like to redirect to an external URL like google.com, for example, or the maps, or whatever you would like to redirect to. Okay, so this is one way of the flexibility of the mobile application. Once you click on this button, you will be redirected and can see whatever page that you would like, even the login, the sign up. Even if you like to add a GIF with flash sale, for example, all this is possible and doable at our site. Also, you can add a video like this one. You can add a video. This video can be added as a link, and it will be displayed here, as you see. Uh, Also, the sliders, as I mentioned before, you can add unlimited slides as you like, and each slide can have its own whatever page as well that you would like to go. This is GIF, an example for GIF. Whether you add it like this, something like this, or you add a flash sale, and so on. All this for just one view of the mobile application. The same can be done to any view of the mobile application. So let's say I would like to edit the view of the cart view. So at the cart view, this is the sample of the cart view. It displays like this. So you can here add an image at the top of the cart page. It's totally flexible and customizable. You can add an image here, and it will be displayed. Also, you can add a section, and this section can be split into 2 columns, and add this image to the bottom. Let's add it inside the section, and then as you see, so, and this is text, I can add it here. So as you see how easy this thing is, and you can add to this section a background where you'll be able to just style this section the way that you like, and add whatever you would like to add in this page inside that section. You can add products, like related products in a specific category that you like, top selling products category, posts, carousel, YouTube video, button, and this button can redirect to whatever place that you would like in the mobile application. As you see here, you can add a button to the contact page, the about page, to the orders page, to the cart, terms, whatever page that you'd like to add. Okay, it's not just like that. You can add as well, change the header. So let's say in the cart page, I'd like to change the header style. So I'm just going to click on the header and disable the global headers or activate it. And after that, I can go to the style and change the icon colors, for example, or change or disable one of the buttons, like the menu. I don't like to have the menu here, or I don't like to have the search. As you see, it's disabled here. Or the cart. Since I'm in the cart, I don't like to see the cart page in this page. So it's possible. And you can add the background as an image or as a color, as you like. It's totally optional. Also, you can disable the header in this page totally. So it's great. This means that this header is disabled totally in this view. So what if I'd like to make the header or the footer objects global and change the global settings of the header and footer? So I'm going just to the globals here and just click on the, let's say, on the footer. And okay, let's see. I'm going to remove the one of the fields here. Let's remove them. As you see, the footer is changed totally. And I can add whatever items that I would like to add. As you see here, I added one. I can change the icon. Here's an icon, another icon, and change the text of the icon, change the linking of the icon as well, in order to be able to choose whatever view that I would like to add in the footer. So the footer is totally customizable. The header is totally customizable as well. So after I create all this, I'm just going to click on the save button and all my changes will be ready. Before I'm going to do so, let me show you one of the most important and interesting features that we have is the push notifications. So in this project, I activated the push notifications. Now I can send to whoever I would like to person. This is a list of users that I have. I can select all of them or as many as I want, and just send them an awesome offer and add emojis, for example. And in the future, we're going to add images and many styles for the push notifications as well. And also, here is the text. This is a text for the notification, for example, and it will be like this. Once I choose the users that I would like to send to and click send, the push notification will be distributed automatically and totally for free, where you can offer new discounts and coupons for your customers. You can connect as well your website through this link. Connect your website, just add the plugin that you'd like to have, and it will say that it is connected. So after all this is done, as you see, you can make it in few minutes of your time. It will not take much time. You will be able to click on the Android build icon or the Apple build, and with the click of a button here, you will have the Android APK or AAB generated automatically and ready to be uploaded to Google Play, and the same for the App Store. But the App Store as well, it will be uploaded with a click of a button without having the file itself downloaded at your site. If you'd like to see a preview of the application, so let's see how it works. So with the preview here, you'll be able to start the app. To see your modifications, the most important thing is that it's really interesting that you can add whatever view or connect any view in the real time. You don't have to rebuild the mobile application or upload it to Google Play again. Once you click on save, it's saved automatically. So I'm going to click on let's start. This is the home view, and I'll see the same view that I just modified in the home page. So let's click on whatever product that we have, or category that we have. So after that, I'm going to click on the product itself. It's requesting from the server. So if I'd like to go back, you'll see that it will become very fast. Why? Because it's cached. Whatever you open is totally cached. So the second time and what's after that, it will be pretty fast for your mobile application. So the first time only it will call the server for getting new data, and after that everything is automatically cached and optimized. Here I'm going just to add to cart. Once I click on view cart, it will say, you need to log in order to be able to view this page. One of the interesting features that we have released lately is that you can sign up with your phone number or email. You don't have to sign up with your email only. So I've already signed up. I believe it was something like this. And I'm going to add my password. Just click on the login. There is a Facebook login as well, where you can make it easier and faster. Let's add the same product again. As you see, it's very fast. Add to cart. Then let's view the cart. Okay, can you see this? At the top, you can see that complete your order and earn about 4,000 points for a discount for a future purchase. So this is the complete integration with the WooCommerce points and rewards system. With those points, you can convert them into money or discounts for the upcoming order that you are making. So I'm going to click on free shipping. I don't have a coupon code actually. So I'm going to check out. The checkout is pre-filled if you have ordered before. Just click on the next. You have any payment gateway that is connected with your WooCommerce can be added here. Whether it's Cash, Stripe, PayPal, whatever payment gateway that will be here, it will be listed in this area. but how this will work? What if I clicked on Stripe? If you click on Stripe, it will open the web view of the checkout page of Stripe. Once you click on it, you will be able to make the purchase through Stripe. Or I can make a cash on delivery normally, like this, and next, and then an order like this, and place order, done. The feature is totally done, and the points will be ready after the order is marked as complete. You will gain the points that you have for the mobile application actually, and you can see a list of your points. Currently I don't have any points, but once you make the order completed, you will see the list of your points here with the dates and how you can redeem them and generate discounts out of them. And that's it. As an admin, I can as well see analytics, full analytics, page statistics, who opened which page. So the last page that I opened was this page, orders page. The one with an email, I don't know the emails since I didn't register with an email actually, but I can see all the people who have joined the pages. Like this one has an email, and I can filter them by date. Let's say I'd like to see it from yesterday till today. Click submit. So we have 24 views for the mobile application, 2 by yesterday and 22 by today. Also, I can see a list of orders. The orders that is done, those are the processing orders and the completed list of orders, and there is an order link. This order link redirects to the order of your WooCommerce so that you can have full management of your orders, and this is a list of the orders done in the previous all time, and you can filter it as well by dates. By this, I have covered most of the important features. One other feature that I've been preparing for you is that, as I mentioned, there is a views designer here. What if I'd like to make another view and link to that view? So I'm going to make another view called test one, generate view, like that. It added the test one page. It's a blank template. You can add whatever you want inside it, and I can go back and see it. I can delete this view whenever I want. Also, I can add, let's say, a button anywhere. Let's say in the home screen, I can now change the let's start button. This button, I can change it to the test one view that I just added. So by this, you have a full control over the wiring of the mobile application itself. I hope that I have covered most of the features of the mobile application and answered most of your questions. And if you have any other questions, it's totally welcome.
Yeah, sure. This was the presentation of an e-commerce website, which you can convert with
Mobile app.
in mobile app, right? In mobile app. Now, I have a question about blog website, right? Okay, what do you think? Is it successful to launch a blog as a mobile app, or let's say if some website is has just articles about, let's say, food vlog recipes, right? Food recipes, and or let's say tech blog, right? About
Yeah,
AI or blogging
yeah,
or SaaS, anything, right? So, what
yeah.
is your experience so far that has an do public normally create such apps, or it's up to users?
Okay, it's totally related to your current customers. So let's say I already have you have a blog, for example, tech blog, for example,
Hmm.
and you already and your users are already reading on daily basis your blog. Then they will need to download your application. It will be beneficial for them to download your application rather than going just to the website or opening Chrome and so on. So your application will have I'll have add your application so that I can, once I have another new post, I will receive a push notification for that post, and then open that post and communicate and interact with it, whether sharing or whether I'd like. Actually, it depends as well on the categories that I'm interested in. So let's say I'm interested in the SEO, and your blog is talking frequently on the SEO, like Brian Dean, for example. So once he downloads or adds another post with new information about about the blog, I'll be very interested in order to open it once it is released on the mobile application. rather than just going whether I'll be leaving work and going to my home, and on the path I can just check the new blogs rather than just opening Chrome by each app. So it's very beneficial for the for the customers that you already have, not for acquiring new
Okay, okay.
customers.
Now I have one couple of more questions on top of that. Let's say if I have a blog and I want users to sign up for my newsletter, and I have a sign up form on my blog. So that will be shown on my mobile app also. People can submit the form over there.
As I mentioned, I've shown you, you can add an image, you can add a button, and that button redirects to a page. That page has the newsletter form that you'd like, event form, newsletter, HubSpot form, Salesforce form, whatever form that you'd like. Also, there is another way you can, if this form has an iframe, you know about the iframe or the embed links, you can take the iframe and add it in the text block. It will be represented inside the mobile application, whatever
Okay.
the frame is. It can
Besides this,
be apps.
besides
Yeah,
this, because signing up for a newsletter on a browser blog, which we browse from PC or laptop, right? Or let's say inside browser on mobile, we submit a Google, sign up form, right? But for mobile app, what I want that people when download my mobile app, they should create a free account, sign up for it, and once they sign up, they have access to my blog. That's free, totally free. Is it
yeah,
possible?
yeah. Sure. Yes, you can take the iframe of that or embed code of that form and just add it inside the
No,
mobile
no.
application.
I am asking that for a mobile app, my blog is freely accessible on browser, right? But for
Yeah,
mobile app, I want that if someone is downloading my mobile app for blog to read my articles, before taking him to my blog, I need to him to sign up. Sign up. You know account
you mean by sign up to
membership.
pay
Not
subscription like
paid.
for
It can be paid or it can be free also. You can say it free membership, right?
okay.
But like
So
this,
just to sign up,
this is a good opportunity to capture email and leads, right? Or let's say
yeah, sure.
collect emails.
This the mobile application has an option to disable the guest users. Once you open the application, you have to sign up.
Okay.
This is
So
an option.
now my next question is, let's say if I'm selling I have some ebooks or let's say course on my blog
Yeah,
that I'm selling, right?
yeah,
Now to sell that from my mobile app, do I need to add WooCommerce? Because let's say I'm not using WooCommerce, I'm using
yeah.
some third party service or checkout
Yeah,
system, right?
we have
So
an
is it
integration
possible?
with the membership. Yeah, membership plugin. It's possible without the WooCommerce actually. The membership plugin
Okay.
can it's an independent plugin on the of the WooCommerce. We asked the people, and he added it in our roadmap, and we developed it for them. Integration with the membership plugin. You can
Okay.
add it
So
and add your products, make it subscription, gold package, platinum package, and add whatever packages that you'd like.
okay, so what you are saying over here is that either we can use membership plugin or you can use WooCommerce, right? So we
Yes.
cannot build a standalone checkout within Stacks, right?
Yeah, there must be a processor in the back end.
Okay,
So the back
sure.
end is processed in the website itself.
Okay, sure. And you already covered that you already integrated a plugin, a membership plugin where we can sell courses also. So course will be accessible within app.
Yes, exactly. So that
Okay.
you'll be able to disable the view for subscribers only, specific courses or specific lessons for courses only, for
Okay,
subscribers
sure.
only.
Okay, sure. I'll be still asking if something comes in my mind, right? So now, till
Yeah,
then, let's cover some of the comments, right?
yeah.
So we have, first of all, I would like to tell everyone that please allow visible comments. Comments are visible on the screen, right?
Hello, hello, guys. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Did you? Can you see? I can answer your questions if you are still here. Can you tell me if you are here? Yes. Okay. So it seems that is there anyone else? Ah, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I was.
I don't know what happened, Basam. I was just out of
Ah,
studio. I just
oh,
re-entered, right? So okay. Sorry, guys, for that. And let's. I don't know what happened. It never happened before. I've done many streams, right? Yeah. Mm. Okay, so guys, first of all, allow Wave Video to show us your name because we cannot see your name over here. So, first question from Sujit Biswas is Bassam Tariq, I have a WooCommerce website for restaurant. Can I create an app and upload to App Store so my customers can download it and order from the app?
yes, sure. This is one of the very basic integrations that we have, and it's one of the most important integrations. I'm totally interested if you'd like to work together in order to release the mobile application and get sales. This will be perfect.
Okay, so uh, we have a next question again from Sujit. Also, we can send notification of current discounts and offers.
Yes, yes. I've shown you the. I believe this question goes before I've shown this feature.
Okay. So now the next question is from an unknown person. I cannot see your name. Any PWA function yet for iOS and Android?
I'm not sure if my can you see my camera now because it was turned off. I'm not sure. Did you turn off
Okay.
it off by mistake? Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, PWA functionality. Once you release the application, once you click, it's not a perfect a total PWA, but it has one of the concepts of the PWA.
Okay.
Click on the save button, it will all the new codes, all the new data will be pushed automatically to all the applications without the need to build a new mobile application.
Okay. I think your camera is stuck. So if you, I
I'm
think.
not sure if it's working fine at my side. I'm not sure. Let me
Okay.
refresh my
So
screen.
let's keep it off. No problem. No problem. We can hear you,
Okay.
right? So,
Uh,
okay. Sorry. So
can you see my screen now? You
yeah,
can
yeah,
see. Oh, okay.
yeah. I can see you, right?
Okay.
So
Something
someone
seems.
is answering Sujit that I'm doing something similar but on a different platform. Okay, again from
Okay.
Sujit, one more question. Can it be done for a subdomain also? I have two restaurants. One resides in the subdomain of the main restaurant.
Two restaurants means two projects at our side. So
Okay.
yes, can be
So
possible,
Sujit,
but
if you are creating for a subdomain, it will count a separate project, right?
yes,
So if you are
exactly.
doing creating two app, one for main domain and one for subdomain, you need two
Yes,
projects inside your Stacks account.
exactly. Yes.
Okay. Again, from an unknown person, I can't see your name. Please allow a video to show your name. Do you know if this gets deployed to iOS or Android, Unes Gadiali? Yes,
Yes.
you can deploy it to Play Store and App Store, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, one question is how does this vary from App My Site? Is there a plugin to integrate WordPress WooCommerce? I think that's
Yeah.
already covered, right?
Yeah. The plugin is already there on WordPress.org, and it's linked inside the Stacks market. If you open Stacks site, you will be able to connect your through the plugin, your website through the plugin. So this is easy. Regarding App My Site you can design one single view, and the rest is a template. Our site, as I mentioned, you can add unlimited number of views. You can connect those views together. You have full control over the whole mobile application with dragging and dropping functionality. So all this is not available at my site. I'm not sure, but I don't think, as far as I know, App My Site doesn't have points and rewards integration system. So this is one of the most critical features that we have. It doesn't have integration with a membership plugin. We have integration with membership plugin. So there are many differences between us and App My Site.
Okay. So the next question is if we have over 700 products, are there any limitations?
No, the limitation is the same limitation of your back end. of your website, of your server. So our mobile application can handle that normally. We have actually, our customers have already products more than this number, more than 5,000, and especially in the retail sector. But it depends totally on your website. If your website can handle this traffic, then it's possible.
Okay, sure. So now next question is, can we connect our Twilio or does it require to use tax internal options and are there limitations? I think
Uh, mm,
this
sure.
asks for SMS, I think.
Yeah, the SMS actually is outside. SMS Twilio has a plugin that can be integrated with your website admin panel. It doesn't have to do anything with Stacks itself. So the list of users that signs up through Stacks can will be there in the WordPress users section. So once you add Twilio, you'll find and you'll be accessible. Those users, list of users, you can send messages to them and so on. So it's possible.
Hmm. Okay, so I hope it was for SMS only, right? So how does direct transfer work? I think this is for this is an option in WooCommerce as a payment of direct transfer. So it's simply how it works in WooCommerce or WordPress. Same way it should work on mobile app, right?
Exactly, yes, exactly. Just you will find an order, and this order will be processing. You just call the customer or and receive the money. Once it's received, mark it as completed, and ship your order. All the other payment gateways are available through the, as I mentioned, WebView page.
Okay. So the next again from Sujit, can we apply loyalty program if I wish to give special discount to certain customers?
Yeah, exactly. You can add and you can redeem those points and transfer those points into discounts through the mobile application. Everything is customizable. We have full integration with the WooCommerce points and rewards system.
Okay.
I see that all the features that they are requiring is there already. So it's something interesting.
Okay. So now the next question is, the WooCommerce points is the something is that something we have to plug in or is that related to stacks?
No, it's a WooCommerce points and rewards. It's a large plugin actually that's available at WooCommerce. You can just get it and add it as a plugin inside your website, and the integration will be done automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just add the plugin on your website, and that's it.
Okay. So the next question is, how much does it cost? So guys, I've already provided the link below in the description of this live stream. You can go and check out the current special offer also.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's a plugin for WordPress. I don't think it's a plugin for WordPress, but you can convert your WordPress website into a mobile app with the help of Stacks Builder. Right.
With the help of a plugin. We communicate with your WordPress website through a plugin. But
Yeah.
in the upcoming few months, it will be available as well for Shopify. So imagine it's not just related to WordPress. It can be related or interact. That's why it's a stacks. It can be interacted with whatever platform that you have.
Okay. Sure. Now, next question from Chaitanya is, can it convert website to Android app like a mobile view website? Yes, we already covered Chaitanya. That can be
Yes.
done with a mobile view, right? The next question is, website into a PWA. That's also covered, Chaitanya.
Yeah,
You just
exactly.
answered. Mm.
Yeah, it can be added as I mentioned earlier. Maybe you went there. So it can be added as a total web view. The mobile application total web view. It can be total native, total web view, or a partially web view. So most of it will be native, and small buttons will redirect to a web view. All is possible.
Okay. So the next question is, can we block screenshot or screen recording for apps?
No, not yet. But if you'd
Okay.
like to have it, just add it to our roadmap. It seems interesting.
Okay. So yeah, connection was lost for a while, and
Yeah.
now again from an unknown person, I'm confused. Is your platform SaaS, WordPress plugin, or something else? So I would like to answer that. It's a SaaS platform, and it communicates with your website to convert into mobile app via a WordPress plugin. And in shortly, there will be Shopify integration available also, so you can convert your Shopify sites also to the mobile app,
Yep.
right?
Exactly.
Okay. Will it support personalized push notification like abundant cart special offer for particular user?
For now, you write the push notifications yourself. but we are working on currently a way so that to automate those push notifications with abundant cart, with offers and so on, to make it personalized. And there are some platforms that is doing this already, and we are negotiating with the people how we can integrate with them. It's really interesting, this feature, yeah, and we're working on that. But
Okay.
currently, it's customized, custom push notifications.
Okay, there is next comment. I had test this app. It is so easy to use. Thank you. Thank you
Great,
for testing out, first of
thank
all.
you so much. Just add your
Okay.
name, please.
Again, I can't see your name. I have to go to Facebook, right, to see your name, right? And the
Yeah,
next question is, so the dependency is to already have a website. So that's what tool is to convert your website to a mobile app. That's what Stacks is, right? So I
yeah.
think he's asking about standalone mobile app. Is it possible someone to create an app without having a website?
Yeah, we have this in place as well. We have a package, but it's not for the LTD because our servers is totally. We must add purchase a server for you automatically and open it for
Yeah,
you.
totally
So
understood.
yeah,
That's
so
understood.
it's not an LTD platform, but it's available as one of our packages, and you'll find it on the pricing page.
Okay, so the next question again from Chaitanya is: can we monetize the app with Google AdMob or via other ads? That's an
Yes.
obvious thing, Chaitanya. That's an obvious
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
Definitely.
sure. It's one of the old features that we added actually to have Google AdMob integration. Yeah, you can add it in the footer, header. You can add it in whatever page you want. The ads.
Okay, sure. So that was the last question. Let me check if any question we missed. No. So I think we covered each and every question. And thank you, Bassam, for being here, answering our questions, showing his tax platform. Now, I have a task for you. You have to pick up a question for a winner, right? Pick up any
Ah,
question that you like most, or let's say you got a good idea with it, or anything you like, right? So you have to pick one question as a winner, and he will be the winner of this giveaway, right?
yeah. I believe that one of the most interesting.
Also, if you cannot see the name, we will display that comment and ask the winner to contact us, right?
Yeah,
So
I have actually one of the most important questions that we had is
you
the
can go up and check the previous comments also
yeah,
beside.
I went up. Yes, yes, and I have all of them are interesting, actually, really interesting. But one of the most important questions, from my point of view, is that the support of the personalized push notifications, like the abundant cards and the special
Okay.
offers and so on. So
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah. Here is from it's from Chaitanya.
yeah, I
Yeah.
like this
So
question.
there's the
Thank
winner. Chaitanya, congratulations. You are the winner of Stacks license, and you just need to message me, and I will follow the procedure, right? So guys, that was really a good session, and we are almost 50 minutes. We are just reading the 50 minutes of time slot. And sorry for guys the interruption. I don't know how it happened. Maybe there was some internet glitch on my side. That can happen. I Yeah, Chaitanya is here. Thank you, Chaitanya. And Yeah, there are some congratulations for Chaitanya. So, guys, that's all for now. See you in the next stream, and we will be soon live again with one more session with another SaaS tool that can help you in your business, in your internet journey, in your entrepreneurship, and help you make more money online. So, see you
Yeah,
in the next stream.
I enjoy talking